So the interior still has to be detailed, but as you can see, got brown carpet in the back. This is Mercedes carpet. Got the Alcantara back here also. And I gotta really wipe the car down so it's not totally what it's gonna look like when it's ready to hit the streets. Gotta do some detailing. Detail it. So yeah, man, still got to put the wheels on the car. That's the last thing I'm gonna do, but I gotta take it back to the paint shop. They gotta color, sand, and buff, put the trim pieces on the car, and yeah, I'll be rolling real soon. So look for me to be at a car show near you. It's been a minute, man. I'm telling you, restoring a car is not as easy as you think. And then on top of it, I got this custom wide body kit, one of a kind. You won't see another one like this anywhere. This is the Big Herc wide body custom kit that I will be offering to other 928 owners if they're interested. So holler at me, man. I'm about to get into this car building game real tough, and I will be doing the damn thing. See that custom hood? You know what's under there, right? Got that 350. I know a lot of people are gonna be mad at me about that, but hey, this is a wig splitter Porsche. It's splitting wigs. It's got its own little style. Look at that ass on her. Ooh, man, that thing is nice. So the interior came out nice, man. Yeah, buddy, it's looking good. I got that leather with that Alcantara. Ooh, man, sweet. There's not another one like it. Not another one like it, man. Look at that. Yeah, man. I still got to put the rest of the trim pieces on the car, but the interior does look good. I'm very happy with it. I know it's a one of a kind. You know, got them custom door panels. Look at that thing, looking sweet. Yeah, buddy. Muscle up. The wig splitter Porsche is getting closer to being done. Yes, finally. Man, it's been a long time in the making, you guys. I know you probably thought I was faking, but I wasn't faking, man. It's just restoring a car is a process. So I'm picking her up from interior, and I have to go to a transmission shop because the transmission was acting up on me on the way over here, and I don't want to take any chances on the transmission going out. So I'm about to get the transmission serviced, but I want you guys to take a look at this interior. So this is what's gonna bust their eyes right here. This is when they get upset. Oh no, not the Chevy, not the 350. The 350 got that Ron Davis 350 Elderbrock. Yeah, buddy. Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up a water-based, eco-safe detail spray that protects all surfaces, or pick you up a tank top or a t-shirt with the infamous Green Machine Chevelle and represent.